Hello everyone, my name is Ria Soni. Today we are studying about the reproductive system in human beings. So let me introduce with some general information. So in human being there are two sexes, male and female. So there are two types, unisexual and bisexual. So what is bisexual? Bisexual is in which those organisms in which male and female reproductive system are present in same organisms. So in unisexual those organisms in which the male and female they have both different reproductive systems. So you can either understand by bisexual means bi mean means two system and unisexual means one. So the next let's start the topic reproductive and human system. Human being is a unisexual organisms. So human beings are unisexual organisms. So there are two types of sexual character. Next topic. So there are two types of sexual character. First is primary and second is secondary character. There are two types of sexual characters. First is primary characters. So what is primary characters? Those characters which are present at the birth. ऐसे कैरेक्टर जो हमारा बर्थ होने के बाद जो हमारे अंदर कैरेक्टर होते हैं हम उसको प्राइमरी कैरेक्टर बोलते हैं. Those characters are present at birth. So next is secondary character. What is secondary character? Those characters which are developed during puberty. So those characters which are developed during puberty. So secondary character is those characters which are developed during puberty. So what is puberty? What is puberty? Puberty is a age of human being puberty is the age of human in which the reproductive organs start functioning gonads start secretion of gametes and sex hormones. Boys and girls become sexually mature. So what is puberty? Puberty is the age of human in which the reproductive organs start functionally, gonads start secretions of gametes and sex hormones, and boys and girls become sexually mature. Puberty वो होता है जो हमारे in humans the reproductive start functional, gonads start secretions of gametes and sex hormones. So in male the puberty age is 13 to 14, and in female puberty age is 10 to 12. सो इन मेल द पुबर्टी एज इज़ 13 to 14. जो मेल होते हैं उनकी पुबर्टी एज होती है 13 to 14, एंड इन फीमेल द पुबर्टी एज इज़ 10 to 12. सो इन नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज in male puberty the secretion of testosterone hormones from testes. जब मेल पुबर्टी के एज में होते हैं उनमें टेस्टोस्टेरोन हार्मोन सीक्रेट होता है फ्रॉम टेस्टिस, एंड इन फीमेल puberty the secretion of estrogen hormone from ovaries. और in female puberty the secretion of estrogen hormone from ovaries. जब फीमेल की जो पुबर्टी एज होती है उस टाइम पे फीमेल के अंदर एस्ट्रोजन हार्मोन का सिक्रेशन होता है फ्रॉम ओवरीज. सो अवर नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज change take place in puberty in males. So change take place during puberty in male. Change takes place during puberty in male. The first point is enlargement of penis and scrotum. Second point, enlargement of larynx and vocal cord depending on their voice. Third point is the growth of pubic hair and extra hair in body parts. Fourth point is getting awareness of sex. Getting awareness of sex. And fifth point is the skin become oily and might have pimples on face. So change take place during puberty in male. The first point is enlargement of penis and scrotum. Second point, enlargement of larynx and vocal cord depending on their voices. And third point is the growth of pubic hair and extra hair in body parts. Means the hair grow in pubic region and extra hair body parts. And fourth point is getting awareness of sex. And fifth point, the skin becomes oily and might have pimples on face. Skin becomes oily and have pimples on faces. So our next is change take place during puberty in females. Change take place during puberty in female. So first point is the growth of breast. Second point, the growth of pubic hair and extra hair in body parts. Third point, getting awareness of sex. Fourth point, the voice become soft and high pitched. And fifth point, starting the menstruation period and ovulation. Menstruation cycle and ovulation. So change take place during puberty in female is the growth of breast, the growth of pubic hair and extra hair in body parts. Third point, getting awareness of sex. And fourth point, the voice become soft and high pitch. Become soft and high pitch. And fifth point, starting the menstruation cycle and ovulation. So what is menstruation cycle? So next topic, next heading is what is menstruation cycle. What is menstruation cycle? When ovary release one mature egg every month and uterus prepare receiving the fertilized egg. First point is the ovary released one mature egg every month and uterus receives the fertilized egg. So second point is, in uterus, the wall of uterus become thick and spongy with the blood vessels which help in nourishing the embryo. So second point, the wall of uterus become thick and spongy with blood vessels which help in nourishing the embryo. The third point, if egg does not fertilize within a month, the wall of uterus break down and comes out through vagina is called menstruation. The egg does not fertilize in 1 month, the wall of uterus breakdowns and comes out through vagina. With blood and mucus. Blood and is called menstruation. So what is menstruation cycle? The ovary release one mature egg every month and the uterus prepare receiving the fertilized egg. Ovary release every month of one mature egg and uterus prepare receiving the ovary एक महीने में एग रिलीज़ करती है वन मैच्योर एग, जो कि यूटेरस को फर्टिलाइज करने के लिए काम आता है. द वॉल ऑफ यूटेरस बिकम थिक एंड स्पॉन्जी विद ब्लड वेसल्स विच हेल्प इन न्यूरिशिंग द एम्ब्रॉय. जो यूटेरस की वॉल होती है वो एक थिक और स्पॉन्जी होती है विद द ब्लड वेसल्स, जो कि एम्ब्रॉय को न्यूरिश करने के लिए काम आती है. द एग डज नॉट फर्टिलाइज्ड विद इन 1 month. द वॉल ऑफ यूटेरस ब्रेक्स डाउन एंड कम आउट थ्रू वजाइना विद द ब्लड एंड अ म्यूकस इज कॉल्ड मेंस्ट्रुएशन. जब एग फर्टिलाइज नहीं होता है एक महीने के अंदर, द यूटेरस की वॉल ब्रेक डाउन होती है और वो वजाइना के थ्रू बाहर आता है विद ब्लड, वो ब्लड और म्यूकस होता है, इज कॉल्ड मेंस्ट्रुएशन. दिस cycle is come in every month is called menstruation cycle. So what is menstruation cycle, you know. And what is ovulation? The egg release from ovary is called ovulation. जब egg ovary से release होता है उस टाइम को हम ovulation बोलते हैं. So our next topic, next heading, type of sex hormones. Types of sex hormones. First, primary sex organs. Second, secondary sex organs. Primary sex organs are gonads, which produce produce the gametes and sex hormones. Primary sex organs are gonads which producing the gametes and sex hormones. जो gonads होता है वो gametes और sex hormone को secrete करता है. In male the gonads are testes which produce the male gamete sperm and sex hormone is testosterone. In male, the gonads are testes which produce the male gamete is sperm and the sex hormone is testosterone. So, in female, the gonads are ovaries which produce the female gamete ova, or we can say egg, and sex hormone is estrogen and progesterone. So in female, the gonads are ovaries which produce the female gamete is ova, we can say egg, and a sex hormone is estrogen and progesterone. So there are two types of sex hormones. First is primary and second is secondary sex hormone. The primary sex organs are gonads which producing the gametes and sex hormones. जो गोनाड्स होता है वो गैमेट्स को सिक्रेट करता है एंड सेक्स हार्मोन को सिक्रेट करता है. मेल के अंदर जो गोनाड्स होता है वो टेस्टिस होता है जो कि मेल गैमेट स्पर्म को सिक्रेट करता है एंड सेक्स हार्मोन टेस्टोस्टेरोन को सिक्रेट करता है. और इन फीमेल द गोनाड्स आर ओवरीज विच सिक्रेट द फीमेल गैमेट इज ओवा, वी कैन से एग, एंड सेक्स हार्मोन इज एस्ट्रोजन एंड प्रोजेस्टेरोन. सो अवर नेक्स्ट इज reproductive in male. In male, it is consist of first pair of testes, second scrotum, third vas deferens, fourth seminal vessels, fifth protestate gland, and sixth is penis. So in reproductive in male, it consists of pair of testes, scrotum, vas deferens, and seminal vessels, and protestate gland, and penis. So reproductive in male is first pair of testes. Its label here, it is pair of testes. Second is scrotum. This is scrotum, and vas deferens. It is a tube-like structure that is arise from a testis, and seminal vessel. This is seminal vessels, and protestate gland. this is protestal gland, and sixth one is penis. This is penis. So in female reproductive system, male reproductive system, it is consist of two pair of testes in which the gamete is sperms and its sex hormones is testosterone, and it is a sac-like structure, we can say it's scrotum, and from each testis a tube will arise, is called vas deferens. You can see it here, a tube is arise from a testis, it is called a vas deferens, and it is joined in a urethra, and urethra it is a enclosed with a muscular organ, or we can say it is penis. You can see it is a covered with a muscular organ, or it is called also penis. So next is seminal vessels and protested gland is help which produce the fluid which help in the nourishing and the movement of sperm. So seminal vessels and protested gland secrete the fluid and which nourishing and the help in the movement of sperm. So this is the reproductive in male and its types and name. So next is reproductive in female. Reproductive in female. Reproductive system in female. It is consist of pair of ovaries, fallopian tube, or we can say oviduct. Third is vagina. Fourth is uterus. Sixth is cervix. Reproductive system in female, pair of ovaries. You can see here this pair of ovaries, fallopian tube, or we can say oviduct. This tube is called fallopian tube, or we can say oviduct, and it is open like structure is called vagina. This open like structure is called vagina, and uterus, this is uterus, and this cervix, it's open here, it is cervix. So reproductive system in female. In female, it is consist of pair of ovaries which secrete the female gametes and sex hormones. So it is above the ovaries, their tube-like structure is called a fallopian tube, or we can say oviduct, and about two fallopian tube, it is come into a bag-like structure, it is uterus, and it's open in through vagina, and it's open here is cervix, and it's called a vagina. So this is the reproductive system in male. Thank you.